Living in Fort Lauderdale means enjoying sun-soaked days, ocean breezes, and stunning coastal views. However, that same seaside beauty comes with challenges for homeowners, namely, the harsh salt air, intense UV rays, and tropical storms that can take a toll on your windows. Choosing the right window replacement options is key to keeping your home protected, comfortable, and energy efficient year-round. Here's a look at the best choices for Fort Lauderdale's unique coastal climate. Impact-resistant windows. Built for coastal storms in Fort Lauderdale, hurricane season is a yearly concern, making impact-resistant windows a top priority for coastal homes. These windows are designed with laminated glass and reinforced frames that can withstand high winds and flying debris. Even if the outer glass breaks, the inner layer remains intact, maintaining your home's security and structural integrity. Benefits. Meets Florida's stringent building codes for hurricane protection. Reduces noise from wind, traffic, and neighbors. Provides enhanced security against break-ins. Often eligible for insurance discounts. When selecting impact-resistant windows, look for Miami-Dade or Florida Building Code (FBC) approval labels to ensure you're getting top-quality protection designed for local conditions. Vinyl windows. Durability meets affordability. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Fort Lauderdale homeowners due to their resistance to moisture, corrosion, and warping, all of which are common issues in a coastal environment. Unlike wood, vinyl does not rot, and unlike aluminum, it doesn't corrode from salt exposure. Advantages. Low maintenance, no painting or refinishing required. Excellent insulation helps lower cooling costs. Available in a wide range of colors and styles. Affordable without compromising durability. For added performance, consider double-pane vinyl windows with gas-filled chambers that improve thermal insulation and block out more heat. Aluminum windows with coastal coating. While aluminum is naturally strong, untreated frames can deteriorate quickly in salty air. Fortunately, modern aluminum windows with special coastal coatings offer the best of both worlds: durability and sleek, modern style. These protective coatings prevent pitting, corrosion, and fading, extending the lifespan of your investment. Best for homeowners looking for slim, contemporary window profiles. Coastal homes exposed directly to sea spray. Large window installations requiring extra structural strength. Pair aluminum frames with impact-resistant glass for maximum resilience and longevity. Energy-efficient glass options. Fort Lauderdale's subtropical climate means high temperatures and year-round sun exposure. Energy-efficient glass options help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce glare, and cut cooling costs. Recommended glass technologies include low E, low emissivity coatings, reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light. Argon gas fills, add insulation between glass panes. Installing energy-efficient windows can lower your utility bills and make your home more comfortable during the hot summer months, all while protecting your furnishings from UV damage. Fiberglass windows. Strength and style combined. For homeowners seeking longevity and elegance, fiberglass windows are an excellent choice. They're exceptionally durable, resist warping and corrosion, and can mimic the appearance of natural wood without the upkeep. Why they work well in Fort Lauderdale: withstand extreme humidity and temperature changes. Offer superior structural stability in hurricane conditions. Provide excellent thermal performance for energy savings. Though they come with a higher price tag, fiberglass windows are a smart long-term investment for coastal properties. Smart installation and maintenance tips. Even the best window materials won't perform as intended without proper installation. Always hire certified window contractors familiar with Florida's coastal building standards. Ensure proper sealing to prevent moisture infiltration and maintain regular cleaning to remove salt buildup, which can extend window lifespan. Final thoughts. The best window replacement options for Fort Lauderdale's coastal climate are those that combine storm protection, energy efficiency, and corrosion resistance. Impact-resistant windows, vinyl frames, and energy-efficient glass technologies are among the most reliable choices. By investing in high-quality materials and professional installation, you'll protect your home from harsh coastal elements, improve comfort, and enhance curb appeal for years to come.